Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys and girls doing absolutely fine. So today we will see the PUBG mobile gameplay in a cinematic graphics, and the graphics quality would be in HD or the HDR. So I am using the GFX tool to enhance the graphics. So you can use this method in any of your devices, any of the Android devices basically. So let me brighten up the display. Okay, so you have to select the 0.8 GP. So and the resolution should be maximum as shown on your screen and 60 fps, and you have to select HDR, and I have selected the film style, and you have to enable the shadows also. So let's see further. So let's run the game. So basically you have to run the game from this device only. So the game is now open. So let's see does the graphics are enhanced or not. So you can see here the graphics option is just keep to the extreme, and we have got the HD graphics here, and you have to select the movie also to make it much more realistic, and thus thereby you can increase the brightness also. So let's see. So graphics have been applied. So more the GFX tool is a nice for the graphics optimization in any of your devices. So we're gonna be playing the Sandhawk is the best, I think, to show you the new graphics of the Halloween also. So you can see the graphics are just got to the next level. So basically this is not the effect of the graphics, it would be same in any of your devices, but the gameplay playing afterwards would be just to the next level. So basically you can use this in any of your devices, and by using just the GFX tool. Does it depends if you have just playing in HD and your device is just getting heated up, so it just gonna not work as fine as in such a giant tablets or in S9 or many of the iPhone X and other things. So you can see here the shadow is been enabled, which was not enabled till now, and you can see which sort of detail you are getting here, and it is working as fine as anything. So we're gonna be landing in the paradise. So let's see further gameplay. So you can see here the cinematic mode is just been enabled, so it is just looking as realistic as anything, and the brightness has just gone some sort of like down. So in the colorful it just will be not as nice as anything. So let's see further. So the grass and every detail is as clear as anything. So yes, we got a weapon. So basically you can use it in any of the devices, but it still depends that your device should not that heaten up, and so basically if you use it, it will work as fine as anything. So it was all about this gameplay, and if you like it, please like this video and share my channel to everyone, so they can also enjoy this exclusive content available to them and just know about the futuristic techs and every new videos coming on my channel every day. So thank you so much for watching, and have a nice day and have a nice life.